Welcome to the Motomed tutorial, Height Adjustment of the Motomed Loop Edition. With the new and innovative height adjustment, the Motomed Loop Edition can be adjusted in height without the use of tools and thus offers optimal adaptation to the user. Thus, the patient can be trained on the Motomed Loop Edition from an active wheelchair, power wheelchair, nursing wheelchair or from a chair. However, the special benefit of the height adjustment for the user lies in the individual setting of the arm-torso angle. This ensures optimized training of the shoulder, neck and back muscles. In addition, the user benefits from the slightly elevated lying position, which can promote venous return. To easily move the trainer unit up or down, loosen the locking screw and pull the locking knob. The Motomed can now be adjusted to the correct height. There are 5 adjustment positions to choose from, each of which is noticeable when the locking knob engages. To ensure the stability of the Motomed during training, tighten the locking screw again until resistance is felt. Always make sure that there is no collision between the legs and the handles. A gas spring supported height adjustment is available as an optional product configuration. This allows the height of the Motomed to be adjusted seamlessly and without any effort.